In previous class I had completed 2 numericals. Now today I will continue with third one. So I have written number third numerical. You see that the heading, calculate national income by income method and expenditure method. Here you have to calculate the numerical with the help of two methods, income method and expenditure method. So the items here I have given 15 items here written. So first, government final consumption expenditure values, subsidies 10, rent 200, wages and salaries 600, IT, indirect tax 60, private final consumption expenditure 800, gross domestic capital formation 120, social security contribution by employer 55, royalty 25, net factored income to abroad, net factored income to abroad, not from abroad, 30, interest 20, depreciation 10, profit 130, net export 70, change in stock 50. So there are 15 items here given. So with the help of these 15 items you have to calculate national income by income and expenditure method. Both method applied here. So number first, income method. In income method, first you have to calculate NDP-FC. So income method NDP-FC. In NDP-FC you have to take COE plus operating surplus plus MISE. So put the value COE directly not given here. So the elements of COE, wages and salaries plus social securities. So wages and salaries, this item number 4 plus wages and salaries plus social security contribution by employer. So number 8 plus number 8 plus. So in COE these two items are included. Number 4 wages and salaries and number 8 social securities contribution by employer. So COE completed. Operating surplus. In operating surplus we know rent, interest, profit and royalty. So here operating surplus directly not given, their elements are given. So we put the value operating surplus rent. First we find out the rent. So number 3 rent, interest, number 11 profit number 13 plus royalty. So the value of royalty you find royalty number 9 plus MISE. The value of MISE not given. Value MISE not given, so you put the 0. Now put the value number 4 600 plus number 8 55 plus number 3 200, number 11 20 plus 13 130 plus 9 number 9 20 5 and plus 0. So you add this value 1030 1030. So NDPFC value 1030. Now you have to convert it NNPFC. National income means NNPFC oblique national income. So in national income, NDPFC plus net factored income from abroad. Net factored income from abroad. So 1030 is NDPFC. NDPFC 1030. In national income, NDPFC plus NFIA. So 1030 plus NFI, net factor income from abroad. You see that net factor income from abroad, but here the items net factor income, the number 10, net factor income to abroad, not from abroad. From abroad means we get the income from outside, but here we have to pay income to outside. So here use the sign minus. To abroad minus sign, from abroad plus sign. According to the formula plus NFIA, so here I am writing here plus sign, but in bracket you have to write minus. So net factor income to abroad minus 30. Clear? So at the time of calculation you have to think that from abroad or to abroad. If it is from abroad, then plus sign. If it is written to abroad, then you have to write minus sign. So according to formula, I have written NDPFC plus NFIA. Then we get NI, income method. So this is the formula. So here I am writing the value 1030 plus NFIA from abroad plus you put the value, but here to abroad. That's why I am writing here minus 30. Clear? So now you add plus minus minus 1030 minus 30 equal to 1000. Rupees in crores. So in income method, national income values is 1000. Clear? So now next we have to calculate expenditure method. So now I am rubbing the portion. Now write income method 1000 value. Income method rupees 1000 crore. Now expenditure method. In expenditure method formula, first you have to write GDP MP, gross domestic product, market price. So private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. These are the components of the GDP MP, because last class I told you that in expenditure method first you have to calculate GDP MP, so that's why I have written here this portion. Now put the value private final consumption expenditure. So private final consumption expenditure, right, number 6. Number 6, private final consumption expenditure number 6. Government final consumption expenditure number 1 plus gross domestic capital formation number 7 plus gross net export number 14. Number 14. So private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation plus net export. So put the value private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure 800 plus government final consumption expenditure number 100 plus gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation, the value number 7, gross domestic capital formation 120 plus net export value 70. Now calculate. So in GDP-MP 1090. GDP-MP 1090. This is the value. Now calculate national income NNPFC. So convert GDP-MP. So now national income equal to GDP-MP gross to net. National income means NNPFC. So oblique NNPFC. So gross to net minus debt. Domestic to national NFIA and MP to FC minus net. This is the format. GDP-MP to NNPFC. So gross to net you know minus debt. Domestic to national plus NFIA and MP to FC minus net. So you put the value. So GDP-MP, the value GDP-MP 1090 minus depreciation. Minus depreciation value 10 plus net factored income from abroad. So here you write net factored income to abroad minus sign. So write in bracket minus 30 minus net. IT minus subsidy. So IT 60 and subsidy 10. 60 minus 10 50. Now calculate 1090 minus 10 plus minus minus 30 minus 50. So now next calculate 1090 So in expenditure method also the value is 1000. In income method 1000, expenditure method also 1000. So from this numerical it is clear when we calculate the sum with the help of the income and expenditure methods, in both methods the answer will be the same. So here the answer 1000 and 1000. This means that your calculation is perfect. If you get the value 1010, then you have to calculate again, because in both methods the same answer will come. So number 3rd numerical completed. Now I am going to start the 4th numerical.